Okay, so this is a video of this ceiling fan in the office. It's the same ceiling fan as all the other ceiling fans, besides the one in the living room and my mom's room. And I don't like it either, and hopefully, either later today or tomorrow, this will be gone. This may be replaced. Screwdriver, chair, and this is the fan I'm replacing it with. So this is my Silent Breeze. As you all know, the ceiling fan is pretty like dirty, but I can get it cleaned up, and it's definitely a better fan than this one. This is like from like the late 90s, and the fans were made better back then. So guess I'll turn it on for you real quick. That's the light, and here's low. That's low speed. There's low with the light on. This is medium. This is medium with the light on. And this is high. This fan wobbles pretty badly, if you can see. You can't really see on the camera, but like, it does wobble, like you can tell. High with the light on. That's pretty much all there is to show, but this is not a cool ceiling fan, not unique, not anything like that, so I think this is gonna be replaced very soon. So I got my mom to agree that this needs to be replaced, and she agreed, but she doesn't know if we're gonna do it. She doesn't know if we're gonna do it today or tomorrow or a later date, but we definitely know that's gonna be this fan. So anyway, this is this fan. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, please, and comment.